A class kept track of the snacks they served each day. The bar graph shows Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. First, read the scale. 1 square stands for 5 snacks. There is also a clue in words. On Friday, 5 more snacks were served than on Thursday. The question is simple. How many snacks were served in total, Monday through Friday? Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Here is a hint. Read the 4 bars on the graph. Then, do not forget Friday. Friday is not drawn. It hides in the words. Let us read the bars one by one. Monday is 20. Tuesday is 15. Wednesday is 25. Thursday is 10. Now add the 4 days. 20 plus 15 plus 25 plus 10. That is 70. Now we use the clue. The words say Friday is 5 more than Thursday. Thursday was 10. So 10 plus 5 is 15. Friday is 15. Notice that Friday was never on the graph. The graph gave us 4 days. The clue gave us the 5th. Now combine. 70 plus 15 is 85. 85 snacks in all. So the graph gave us 4 days, and the words gave us the 5th. We read the picture for what it shows. Then we read the sentence for the part that is missing. Together, they make the full total of 85. This is the graph and clue rule. If a problem gives a graph and an extra sentence clue, read the graph values first. Then use the clue for the value that is not on the graph before you combine. Watch for a sentence that adds a value the graph does not show. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.